Hi, my name is General J. Maurilio. Mag-explain ko about sa Course 10. Course 10, Disaster Readiness and Risk Reductions, Module 24. Section 6, Powers and Functions of the NDRRMC, the National Council being empowered with policy making, coordination, integration, supervision, monitoring and evaluation function shall have the following responsibilities: develop NDRMF which shall provide for a comprehensive all-hazard, multi-sectoral, interagency, and community-based approach to disaster risk reductions and management. The framework shall serve as a principal guide to disaster risk reduction and management effort in country and shall be reviewed on 5 years interval or as may be deemed necessary in order to ensure in relevance to the times. Section 14. Integration of disaster risk reduction education into the school curricula and Sangguniang Kabataan SKI program and mandatory training for the public sector employees, the DepEd and CHED, the Technical Education and Skill Development Authority, TISDA, in coordination with the OCD, the National Youth Commission, the DAS, the DENR, the DLGBP, the DOH, the SWD and other relevant agencies shall be integrate disaster risk reduction management education, the school curricula, secondary and tertiary level education, including the National Service Training Program NSTP, whenever private or public, including formal and non-formal, technical, vocational, indigenous learning in out-of-school youth courses and programs. Section 15. Coordination during emergencies. The LDRMC shall take lead in preparing for responding to and recovering from the effects of any disaster based on the following criteria. A. The BDC and barangay is affected. B. The commercial DRMC if 2 or more barangay affect. The provincial DRR if 2 or more cities, municipalities are affected. The regional DRMC if 2 more province affect, and the NDRRMC if 2 or more regions are affected. The NDRRMC in intermediary. LDRMC shall always act as support to LGUs, which have primary responsibility as first disaster responder. Private sector and civil society group shall work in accordance with the coordination mechanics and politics set by the NDRMC and concerned LDRMC. Exciting program in Philippines. The National Disaster Reduction and Management Plan 2011-2028. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Plan (NDRRMP) outlines the activities that seek to strengthen the capacity of national government and local government units (LGU) together with partner stakeholders to build the disaster resilient of communities and to institutionalize arrangement and measure measures for reducing disaster risk, including project climate risk, enhancing disaster preparedness, and response capabilities at all levels. The country will have a suffer, adaptive, and disaster resilient Filipino communities towards sustainable development.